Coca Cola versus Pepsi. Which one is better? Which one you think is better? Coca Cola or Pepsi? Pepsi or Coca Cola? Which one do you think is better? These are the EU Pepsi, sold in EU. Coca Cola, sold in EU. Very sugary soft drinks. Write in the comments below, in your country, how much sugar there is in Pepsi and how much sugar there is in Coca Cola. The original ones, without those sweeteners and stuff. Review for the packing. Coca Cola 330 milliliters in aluminum can. Coca Cola is more progressive here. They have an actual paper packing with here you can put your fingers and to carry it like this. You can press down and here and carry it like that. Pretty nice. I think how Coca-Cola did it is really nice for the packing, really convenient with the packing. Paper, it's melting in the rain, very easy to recycle. Aluminium also very easy to recycle. So thumbs up to Coca-Cola for the recycling package. And now Pepsi, the usual aluminum can as always, they all have this, but Pepsi chose to hold on to the plastic packing. Don't know why they chose to keep. Maybe they can't use this because Coca-Cola is using it. It could be. The Coca-Cola can, they have to put a bit of glue here. These are floating. They're just floating. Interesting, they have some paint on them, or what's this? What's this colors? Like some color. Don't know what's that. Maybe it's from the supermarket. So the way you take one Coca-Cola can, you take it and pull it out. That's all. Sometimes there might be a residue of glue here, but looks like now they made it pretty well. Yeah, this is the packing. This is very sticky. You can actually put it back, I think. Oh, it's like a glue strip. Don't know this glue, how good it is. If it's really that recyclable, the paper, because of this, probably no. So because of the glue, let's try to put it back. If you put it back, close it, does it stick? It sticks. Interesting, so it's kind of resealable. Okay, is it? Yeah. Holds on to that glue strip really well. In the meantime, Pepsi with a traditional put your finger in it. If you want to carry it, you just take it from this corner, take it like this with one finger. That's the packing. The can opens the same way, slightly differently. This markings, some kind of factory batch. The sugar per 100 milliliters is 10 grams, 10.6 grams, and 35 grams for the cane. 35 grams in this cane. 35 grams of sugar in this one cane. Pepsi, 7 grams of sugar per 100 milliliters and 23 grams for the 330 milliliters. Meaning for one 23 grams of sugar, 35 grams of sugar, 12 grams of sugar more in Coca-Cola. This has less sugar, this has more sugar. They both have a lot of sugar. They are both bad for you. Would I be able to tell the difference between these two? Coca-Cola should taste more sweet. Would I be able to tell the difference between Coca-Cola and Pepsi? Let's do a blind test. Let's try it.